In the latchup model shown, our two models what? Well, we can select 5 different things, so let's be very careful here. If we look at the notes that are in the playlist for this material on the channel, we have the following right here that we can find. We have parasitic NPN, or PNP is formed by the N-well P substrate or the P substrate N-well. Remember, when we have NPN, it's an N-well, we have the wells and then the P substrate, and then whenever we look at parasitic PNP, it's formed by the P substrate and then the N-well. You can remember this by the N coming before the P and then the P becoming. When we look at this bottom one is the N and the top one is the P. The way I remember it is if you go down the alphabet, you have your L, M, N, O, P. The N, the arrow, is coming out faster than if it were for the P right here. And then we have resistors from the N-well and P substrate contacts. So the resistors are going to be this R1 and this R2. And then we have the rest of these notes down here, but we're really looking at the resistors. This resistor, this R1, is with this Q1, and this R2 is with our Q2. Q2 is the parasitic PNP, so it starts with our P substrate. It's actually the resistance of the substrate. So this Q2 and R2 are together, resistance of the substrate, and that's how we would look at this latch-up model, and how we would look at this with the notes, and how we could identify any of these different variables.